The vanilla, please. The vanilla. Oh, hey guys, welcome back to our channel. What's up? What's poppin'? But they are make so cornmeal porridge, guys. Chris say what cornmeal porridge. Me say want banana. We want banana except Chris. You know what Chris do? If you don't know what Chris do, not tell me. Chris begs with me. I say what cornmeal porridge or crackers.
Good night.
Cornmeal porridge. Where is the cup? Oh, more cup, please. Yeah. You can't get the scissors. The scissors, call me, please.
Scissors. What?
Look at this. I can't use my teeth on the camera, man. That's you guys, never do it the right way. I can't really promote the bad way. Because the video will go out here. Yeah, more long cup for mix out the cornmeal, you know. You didn't know it's a cornmeal for mix out, right? Oh my god! So how was your day? My day did rough because I come home my friend and pick me and she never did her friend. He come me like Emma never have the word on her head. Me did have the word on my head.
So I must say you are chef on me, you know. So you can boss if me know so call me for mix. Me hear them say the people.
So now I feel like me a teacher.
Oh, we wanna know that. Tell everything I say, baby, you know, so call me if you mix out when you go make porridge.
Alright, you know, so call me if you mix out when I go make porridge.
I knew that to me now because I say, I don't pour on for
I don't know what we have to deal with.
So I say, I pour on for your people, so learn me, I learn.
Then you see what I have to deal with. So you know, say you can use coconut milk too. Did you know that, baby?
Huh?
You know you can use coconut milk too.
Coconut milk?
Yeah, in the porridge. You can use raw coconut as well. By the way, we didn't have one coconut here. Where there? We never oxy out or nothing.
You never that there.
You dash you away.
You would have to dash in my gut, baby.
Guys, this morning Chris stress right out. So this is right out, me right through.
So I'm stress.
Chris, get up here, Chris. You sure? Hold on there, guys. Yeah, guys. Chris almost cried this morning. Serious. Chris almost cried. Chris, I need to know what we feel do. You want we try? Then hear me now. Move from beside the stove there. Then here, Chris, now, guys. You only head, you know, guys. Can you tell me stress? Show them how you only head, Chris. Chris, I don't be head, Chris say. What you want if you do?
So,
you feel so if you go through the air, I don't, you know. Then he change him out and say. Then he change him out and say. You want to just send him out and see if he go pick up. Guys, Chris chat so sick this morning, I don't know what Chris the dog say. No, sir.
Yes, Emma. So come baby.
You don't leave her alone now?
Just watch this movie.
No, you don't need to watch that. Watch your TV. Chris size stove. Jesus, please.
What the killer?
Alright, guys, so we go add the milk.
Yes, that is the milk.
You know, so I should have beat out it first before I put in the garden in there already. So, let's call it a day. Also, everything has to come out here, dear. We can't wait so good. We can't wait, see, guys. We can't wait, see. Alright, yeah. Alright, yeah. Just like that, yeah. Write the song. The bun man. should have, you know guys, we should have beat out in our cup first. But next time, you know.
So you go. You haven't bad already?
It will come out, you know. Chris, come out, yeah. Really, Chris? I'm gonna use steamed milk, guys. And I like Lasco with cornmeal. And I like Lasco with banana porridge.
All who like the dance, me just bust people. Just comment down there, so.
No, comment one on
Comment down there, so, and say yes. I don't want to see a next rounds. We need to kick it off. So me I said dancing competition.
Hell no!
Dancing competition. Hey.
Do the dance, then. Ribbon the dang dang. Ribbon the dang dang. Ribbon the dang dang. Ribbon the... Move there, so. Say fool, that's Well, the thing gonna say not about Chris, Chris not about you, know. So I'm gonna add the vanilla now, guys.
Come here, come here. Come here.
Am I ready?
Back to the beat. Back to the beat. Go slow. Go slow. Go slow. Go slow. Go slow. Yeah. 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 Go Neela. 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 Alright. Go low Neela. Go. 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 Go.
Why don't be an idiot? No, sir.
That's how you have your vibes. You see me, I say?
Nice to know you. Let's do it again. How we did it on a one night stand. Girl, I wanna be more than a friend, baby. Nice to know you. Let's do it again. How we did it on a one night stand. Girl, I wanna become Chris by myself. Babe! I see I'm saying, guys, with me and Chris. Chris tell me say I want to be more than a friend.
I mean.
Nice to know you. Let's do it again. Oh, we did it on a one night stand. Girl, I want to be more than a friend.
I say, come on, man. I say,
yeah.
You're
gonna show me I'm somebody. I'm a woman. I don't care what you want to say. I don't care what you want to say.
Woman may make you feel the pain, you know.
Allah, you are telling.
So if one little splash, little trips of eyeless or something, you don't touch it, you're not supposed to, you know what?
I don't know, yeah, of course we keep
to be. You're not supposed to do mess with them, man. You're supposed to just take a little bun and say, hot man. And rub it, you see me I say?
So the man feels that woman make you take pain. Man no born to take pain. And the feels no pushing, we feel push out the pit of them. And that's why me, you know, guys. Me play sight in the middle, you know, because nothing can catch me. Sight in the middle. What I say? Stocky pulley. I sight in the middle? Or stocky pulley?
Stocky pulley.
When me always a pulley.
Pulley.
So yeah, guys, the porridge is all through. You see that, guys? Yeah, so Chris said he want crackers with his, and I want bread. want a little bit more sugar. I don't want it to be too sweet, guys. As ever. Awesome.
Like that. I hate that.
That, guys. We really appreciate the love and support that you guys gave us.
Yeah, man.
And remember to like, comment, share,
And subscribe. Yeah, man.
Yes.
And tell a friend to tell a friend. You don't know you go on the
and
people.
share
Yeah,
out the
man.
videos.
Exactly. Share it. Just keep sharing the videos. See me I say, and we appreciate it. Thanks for
I
being
told you
there
I'm
with
gonna
us.
make a while ago.
And thanks for thanks for being there with us, people.
Yes.
Yeah, man. And continue to tread the journey. Yeah, man.
Try the
We
journey.
appreciate that, people. Yeah, man.
So thanks, guys, and we are out.